There are 4 bolts needed to be removed. Due to the rust, you are going to need penetrating fluid and let it soak in 15 minutes or so. Save the highest bolt as is used to remove the weight, and make sure your hands are secured carefully. Remove the top right Allen bolt before you remove the bottom left Allen bolt. Use a brass metal brush to clean the Allen bolt and some blue Loctite to lock and seal the threads in the bolt. Hand tighten the Allen bolt before you ratchet down to lock it up. For this scenario, we need ATF4, a hand pump, and find the other end to plug it into the transfer case where we're going to fill it in. Don't forget to have an oil pan and a napkin, just because when we pump in the fluid, a little bit will come out when we know we're done. Just like earlier, hand tighten it before using the ratchet. With the last step of putting the weight back up, we're putting the bolts in first, starting from the top, and hand tying it. When finishing up using the ratchet, we're tying up the bolts using a figure 8 style.